ain't your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, girls want girls. Girls want girls.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
And I play a babe. I grew up in Drea face. I done seen the realest ones come and leave a praise.
You're listening to noaa Weather Radio. Actually no. Scratch that. Your life is in danger. LOLL. Several storms has developed in a moist atmosphere in the southeast and are training along a stationary boundary at nearly stationary speeds and causing numerous floods. Mississippi has been the first state to sink. Imminent evacuation is required across the southeast states. Throw your kids in the tree and take shelter.
What the fuck? What the?
They ain't your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from.
Welcome to the wiping of the East Coast. Today another round of flooding and tornadoes is expected across the Northeast. People in these areas need to seek immediate evacuation now. If you don't, you're dead. You cannot seek high shelter even on the World Trade Center because the floods will be bigger than that. Yes, I know this is stupid as fuck, but it happened, so cry about it. LOLL. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has said fuck it, and issue a flash flood emergency for the entire East Coast. Flash flood emergency for the entire East Coast. Rainfall totals of up to 42 inches is expected across majority of the Northeast, causing historic flooding never seen before. If you want to survive, evacuate. Don't go south into flooded areas. Go to Canada. If you want to die, stay where you are.